Washington produces over 90% of all raspberries for the United States, which is great news because those little berries are one of nature's most nutritious foods. Raspberries come in several commercial varieties, including black, purple, red, and even golden. And just one half-cup serving of raspberries provides a serious amount of nutrition. At nearly 6.5 grams per serving, raspberries are packed full of fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and lowers blood cholesterol levels, reducing your risk of cardiovascular disease. Raspberries are also rich in vitamin C, a nutrient your immune system uses to help defend against the common cold or infection. Regular consumption of raspberries can also keep your brain and nerves healthy because they are loaded with the mineral manganese, a powerful antioxidant. But the best part is that raspberries can be enjoyed year-round, fresh or frozen. Freezing fruit, including raspberries, eliminates the need for using preservatives and has no effect on their nutritional content. So rest assured, the next time you're shopping at your local grocery store for frozen, Washington-grown raspberries, you and your family won't miss out on all their great health benefits.